I purchased some office chairs at the church bazaar last year just to use in my shop, and I put up with them. You would raise them up, and eventually, within the hour, they'd work themselves back down to the lowest position. So today I decided I was going to try to fix them. So here's the shortest and quickest, fastest way to fix an office chair. Separate the wheels from the center piston with a mallet and just drive it loose. These plastic trim collars don't need to be removed except for the largest one. It'll keep the new PVC pipe from going over the top of it. I just cut them with the razor knife and threw them away. So you just pop that plastic pipe on, and then I raised the elevation up so that the shaft popped out of the top, and tapped it on tight. And there you see I can bounce on it, and it's not going to go down anymore. Lever has no effect on it. You can see the elevation has no effect on the chair anymore. It's not going to go up or down, but it will rock back and forth. And if you like, you can paint it black to match the chair. So here's the critical dimensions. It's approximately 8 inches long. You can adjust it to your chair. And it's like 3-inch drain pipe that's used for French drains and just water runoff.